Welcome to Rajesh Biology. Today we are going to discuss some multiple questions which are important for 10th class exams. Okay, you can see the first question. Fruits are formed by. So fruits are formed after the fertilization, pollination, after the pollen grains enter into the uh, gynoecium. So you can see. So this is the stigma, style, and ovary. So after the pollen grains falling into the stigma, it develops a pollen tube, and later on, here you have the ovary. Inside this ovary, you have ovules. So the fruit are formed from the ovary is the right option. Okay. And the next question you can see, reproduction is essential for living organisms in order to. So what is reproduction? Reproduction is creating of copies of itself or growing in number to save the species and generation. So the D option is the correct option for the second question. Next, the third question you can see here. The male reproductive part of the flower, the stamens are collectively known as. So stamens, you can see MENS, mens means a male. So stamens are the male product of male part of the flower. You can see this is a pistil, this is the female part. From here you can see the anthers and filaments. Okay, so the option, so here the anthers and filaments together known as androecium. The stigma, style and ovary together female is known as gynoecium, Gynoe. Okay, so the option is androecium, the A option. Next, so in the below figure, parts A, B, C are sequentially arranged. So this is a structure of a cotyledon. You can see cotyledon. These are two cotyledons. Cotyledons. These are cotyledons, and which develop into a shoot is known as plumule, which develops into the root is known as radical. So here C is the root part, A is the shoot part, and cotyledons B. So where you can find the options, you can opt it. So C option, you can find that. So A is the plumule, B is the cotyledon. So radical, C is the radical. Next, which of the following disease transmitted sexually? So syphilis, gonorrhea, and AIDS are the disease that is transmitted sexually. You can see the D is the syphilis. Okay. Next, IUCD stands for. So that is the B option for contraception, means intrauterine devices. Okay, these are known as IUCDs for contraception. So you are using interuterine contraceptive disease devices. So copper T, these are which are inserted into the uterus. You can see this is the female part. So let me draw it clearly. This is the vagina. This is the uterus part. You can see the ovaries. So here you are going to add the copper T uterine devices which stops the sperms going into the fallopian tube for fertilization. And next question you can see here. Which among the following is not the function of testis in puberty? So what is puberty? The age which an organism or the males and females are attaining the reproductive age from where the gametes are formed, which is not the function of testis. So you can see here the option is development of placenta is not there and secretion of estrogen is not there, because estrogen is a female hormone. Progesterone and estrogen are female hormones. Placenta is after the fertilization, the egg is attached to the uterine wall, forming a placenta. So formation of germ cells and secretion of testosterone is for the testis. So option C, third and fourth is not the function of testis. So which of the following is a contraceptive? So contraceptive, I already told you. Contraceptive means which prevents the uh, formation, which prevents the fertilization and pregnancies. That is known as contraceptives. Means which avoids fertilization, which avoids the sperm to fertilize the egg. So copper T is the intrauterine devices, condoms, barrier methods. Okay, and diaphragms are also used as a barrier method. So contraceptive, you have barrier method, barrier methods, devices, you have hormone based on the medicinal purpose you are having, and also you are using contraceptive pills, and there is surgical method also to prevent the contraception. Next question, the correct sequence of organ in male reproductive system for transportation of sperms is from testis there is a seminiferous tubules present where the sperms are formed. From here, there is a sperm duct known as vas deferens. You have two testes present in the males. Okay, you can see these vas deferens are entering into the female penis. So the entry is from the testis, vas deferens, and the urethra. So this is the urethra. Penis act as a reproductive organ as well as the copulatory organ, and also it acts as the excretory organ. Okay, children, these are some of the important questions you can go through. Thank you for watching.